In this video, I'll talk about how you can send crypto to another wallet from eToro. Now to do this, what you need to do is download an app called the eToro wallet. So you need to set up eToro money wallet. So just download that from anywhere, App Store, the Android. And you want to make sure that the crypto is eligible for transfer. Some of them is not. Mostly the big ones are eligible. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all of these. And once you've set up the money wallet, what you want to do is head over to your portfolio on eToro, click on the crypto, click transfer to wallet, and then it will transfer to your eToro money wallet. Now, once that is done, you want to go to the eToro money wallet, and then you want to transfer that to another. So if you don't want to have it on the eToro, you can open eToro money wallet, and then you simply go to crypto, click on send, and then you can send it to an external wallet. So that is how it works on eToro. So to sum it up, you need to download eToro money wallet, send your crypto from eToro to the eToro wallet, and then send it from the eToro wallet to an external wallet. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.